Introduction to IFTTT and Automation.
IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. It's a free platform that connects your favorite apps, devices, and services. By setting up simple, automated tasks called applets, you can save time every day. Whether you want to streamline work, organize your calendar, or automate smart home actions, IFTTT is a powerful tool for beginners.
Getting started with IFTTT.
Begin by signing up for a free IFTTT account on their website or mobile app. Once you're in, browse the main dashboard. Here, you can search for services like Gmail, Google Calendar, or smart home devices. Connecting these accounts allows IFTTT to interact with them and automate your daily tasks.
How applets work.
Applets are the heart of IFTTT. Each applet follows a simple logic. If this happens, then do that. For example, you can set an applet to turn on your hallway light whenever your phone enters your home's Wi-Fi network. The "this" is the trigger, and the "that" is the action.
Creating your first shortcut.
Let's create a time-saving shortcut. Tap Create, then choose a trigger like Receive a new email in Gmail. Next, select an action, such as Add a reminder to Google Calendar. Review your choices, customize as needed, and save the applet. Now, every new email will automatically add a reminder to your calendar.
Popular time-saving shortcuts.
Some popular IFTTT shortcuts include automatically saving new photos from your phone to cloud storage, syncing to-do list items across apps, or muting your phone when you arrive at work. Explore the IFTTT gallery for ready-made applets and customize them to fit your routine.
Tips for using IFTTT effectively.
Start small and build as you go. Test each applet to make sure it works the way you want. Regularly review your applets to keep them up to date and relevant. Remember, automation is meant to make life easier, so focus on shortcuts that genuinely save you time.